Dilemma with using mock objects. Suppose I want to assert that result is in a particular format. I might set the return value to something as true, success. In order to get to return true, success, patch os.path.exists with true as return value. But in one unittest I want to skip this. How do I patch that os.path.exists? How do I patch shuttle.move_src dest? Do I just give true so it doesn't generate error? What if I want the case it fails and caught an exception? How do I simulate that? I wouldn't always know which exception to catch, the primarily reason to use exception as e. If I actually pass the function, does it really mean no exception caught and it went through every single line? Or is it because I set mock_object.return_value equals true, success? I am only using two dependencies. Do I need to patch out all the external dependencies such as os, sys, math, datetime, all in one? Or if my function is using other functions, which are refactored? Thanks. Sorry for the long questions. I really want to be good at writing unit tests.
I must say that in this particular use case, I don't think patching/mocking would be the best alternative. For this unit test, I'd create a structure in the file system, run the algorithm on that structure in the disk and check for the different outcomes, all without mocking os nor shuttle. Usually I tend to use patching mostly when the external setup is difficult or slow, i.e., maybe having to set up some external database, or when it would halt the test, i.e., opening up some dialog, or when I want to do something that's difficult to check otherwise, such as counting if some cache is actually accessed. Other than that, patching/mocking too much gives me the impression you have a problem in your design, which wasn't done with unit testing in mind, so breaking it up in smaller chunks to test may help.
If you want to, c'est aimerait, la considère subscribing.